Hello and welcome back to our project here at 73 New Road, Clondalkin. Today the crew have removed the scaffolding from the front of the building and we can get a better view of the full elevation. We can clearly see the new extended areas with the white 150mm insulation, and the grey anthracite shows the original structure. Around here to the left you can see the full corner glazing of the bay living room. And further here on the right hand side we can also see the double height floor to ceiling twin entrance with corner glass. On the upper level we can also see the interaction between the new flat roof and the original pitched roof. Around to the left hand side now we can have a look at the side elevation with some bespoke corner glazing and also some bay window and up and over profiling. So here we have the west elevation. We can clearly see the original granny flat, which we renovated and also extended by a utility connection. Here we have the main utility entrance for the family dwelling and the two feature windows on the west elevation. We have the up and over eaves window, we have the corner glazing, and we have the box cubo window central with the cantilever window seat internally and externally. On the right hand side here you can see the corner glass double entrance. So I'm now in the main entrance and you can see from the hallway here behind me we have access to the living dining area via a new pocket sliding door system. To my left you have the oversized entrance door with full corner glazing wraparound and that dynamic design feature that you're seeing from the outside of floor to ceiling double height corner glazing. And today especially you can see the west facing and south facing light coming through the main entrance, which spills right into the stairs here. So the main entrance stairs is still in progress at the moment. You can see a square hollow post engineering beam. We're going to finish that with louvered wood bobuca, and that will lead straight up onto the upper level. Let's have a look upstairs. So here we are on the landing level and you can see the open stairs and corner glazing, letting lots of light in. On this level here, the guys are still working at the moment, so it's just a little bit tight for space, but the back bedrooms on the left and right, master bedroom and ensuite, are being plastered at the moment. Through here I'll just show you the front bedroom. This was the original bedroom. We've extended that into the original box room, which now consists of a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. So now we're in the main living room on the inside. You can see the original front living room which was retained. The rest has pretty much been fully renovated. We have the corner bay extended area. We have the fire rated plasterboard steel beam above our head. Around this side you can see where we split the living space with a home study area, which separates the staircase and the front entrance. The sliding door system is on a Henderson mechanism, top track. Through here to the open plan kitchen living dining area, we also have a pocket door system and a Henderson mechanism in situ. The carpenters are doing some work today. We'll have a look through here also as they're working on some formwork. We have the kitchen bank prepared, we have the bulkhead plasterboard in place. On the right hand side we have our courtyard access, we have our twin larder and our pantry on the left hand side. So plenty of storage space, plenty of family open plan living space. We also have here the recessed TV, we have the stud work forming, recessed niches and pockets, and the carpenters are getting ready there for the rest of the plaster and slabbing out. On the right hand side here we can also see the feature cubo window, box glazing with bobuca wood framing. And then the left hand side we have the impressive up and over window with a 1 metre wide span lifting 2 metres above onto the ceiling space, onto the new flat roof. That's all west facing light coming into the open plan space. So a really beautiful, spacious open plan kitchen dining area. We also have the islands parallel to the main kitchen bank. You can see the services are in situ here for plumbing and electrics. On the next episode we'll get into that in more detail and have a look at the kitchen as it's being installed. Okay, we are now finished today's episode. I hope you enjoyed all the aspects of our design and build, meeting the team and seeing progress on site. Don't forget to visit nuhaus.ie and plantechdesign.ie and follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you.